we're here with Lifts, Ladders, and Docks, Schoolcraft, Michigan, just south of Kalamazoo, right next to Portage. We've got our max lift here. We're showing you our boat lift crane today in this video. A real quick one just to show the crane, how you can adjust the legs by yourself. This lift's probably about 1,100 pounds as it sits. Normally you'd need to have half your neighborhood over to help level your legs, or you call back your installer with their barge and they'll get to you when they can. And they'll probably charge you to come back. Otherwise, you can use this anytime. So this is our 7-foot tall crane. It's got an automatic brake winch, a hook that goes on the bottom. I'll show you this. So these are on our install tools page on our website. The hook is meant to fit a 2-inch lower frame bar. A couple brands have a 3.5-inch. At that point you can make a steel hook. You know, a local fabricator can get you a steel hook or a chain. But if you use a chain, you're gonna have to go underwater. There's this, we just use our foot. Do this fully up top, no spacers, so if the cable jumps like that, it doesn't jam. So it's kind of free floating. Automatic brake winch, so you can crank up and down as necessary. Anyway, that's how we do it. Put that crane right up next to the hook so it's nice and tight. It's welded at an angle so it starts tipping back and it'll pull itself in. That plate will bend permanently and it'll be fine. It finds its happy place and that's it. So let's say we're leveling our legs. If you were doing this with the canopy cover on, you want to be really careful on a windy day. Once you get that up into the wind, you might have it flip. So do it on a calm day if you have the cover on, but this is how you can adjust it if your lift sinks in the muck, if it wasn't level right off the bat from your installers. Usually if it sinks and you're just in trouble, this is how we get them up. One person. Make your leg adjustments, put your pin in, and crank it down, check it. Okay, yep, not quite level. Back up. Find the pin. And there you go. About an 1,100 pound lift. Instead of taking 6 guys to lift that up, hold it while you're trying to fumble with the pin underwater, all your buddies screaming at you. You do it on your own. If you guys buy this with your neighbors, you can kind of go around and split it. It makes things really simple. We've got a photo bomber up top. Hopefully you can still hear me, but this is how we do our leg adjustments. One person, super easy. This is also how we get up over seawalls as well. So makes it very easy. And here we go. That was unexpected, but hopefully you guys can hear me there. This is our crane. It's on our install tools page on the website, LiftsLaddersAndDocks.com. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos if you like that. Try to do a lot of how-tos, and we're trying to keep pumping out new ones for you. Thanks again. Take care.